In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a table to a calendar in Notion. If you already have a database table in Notion and you want to see those same entries displayed on a calendar, the good news is that Notion makes this very simple. You do not need to recreate your data or build a second database from scratch. Instead, you can create a new view of the same database, which means your table and your calendar will stay connected and update together automatically. To begin, open your database table in Notion. This should be the table that contains the items you want to display on a calendar, such as tasks, deadlines, events, or project milestones. Before creating the calendar view, make sure your table includes at least one date property. This is important because the calendar needs a date field in order to know where each item belongs. For example, this could be something like a due date or an event date. If your table does not have a date property set up, the calendar view will not be able to place your entries correctly. Once you have confirmed that your date property is ready, go to the top left area of the database. Next to the current view name, which is often labeled Table, click the plus icon. This is where you can add another way to view the same information without changing the data itself. Think of it as creating a different layout for the same database. After clicking the plus icon, look through the view options and select Calendar. Notion will then prompt you to name this new view. You can give it any name that makes sense for your workflow, especially if you plan to use multiple views for the same database. After entering the name, click Done. As soon as the calendar view is created, Notion will automatically plot your existing table rows as cards on the calendar, using the date property you configured earlier. This means every item with a date will appear on the appropriate day, making it much easier to visualize deadlines, events, or scheduled tasks over time. One helpful thing to remember is that this calendar is still linked to your original table. If you update an item in the table, it will also update in the calendar. And if you edit a card in the calendar, those changes will be reflected back in the table as well. That connection makes it a powerful way to manage the same information from two different perspectives. And that's how to link a table to a calendar in Notion.